Welcome aboard. Bet you're wondering what I look like, huh? Maybe I'll pan away. All right, here we are. We're in the front of the coach here in this Class C. When you sit in this seat, your heart might flutter a little bit. It's a piece of engineering exception. So first things first, all passengers must have one of these. We got 2 up front. We've got 3 on the couch and 2 in the bench seating. No kids in the overhead bed. They're gonna beg you, be tough, say no. They can play up there when you park. Couple other things, RV is about enjoying the great outdoors. But while you're driving, of course, no cocktailing, and then also no smoking in the vehicle. That's an instant loss. No smoking. And we'll find out. You could try to vacuum or any of the Febreze jazz. We're gonna find out. So be a good family member or no smoking. So when you drive this now, you need to realize that this is a house on a vehicle. And so you're not gonna go as fast as you would if you're in your regular vehicle. Don't drive this thing like Mario Andretti. Try to keep the RPMs out of the red. When you go up big hills, say for example La Bajada going up to Santa Fe, you're going to be that slow guy going 50 to 55 miles per hour at best. Prepare for it. Make sure you use your mirrors at all times when passing or changing lanes. We also want you to go old school on this thing. Keep your hands at 10 and 2. That's important for one very important reason. This is a high-profile vehicle, but it's fairly light compared to the other high-profile vehicles. So when you get an 18-wheeler going by you, you're going to feel some shear and it's going to push you a bit. Make sure you have a firm grip. Otherwise, this dash here is very standard. We're going to go ahead and show you a few of those features. You've got a CD player. You'll note the air conditioning. Kick that bad boy to max when you're driving, and this thing should spit out ice cubes and keep all of your passengers cold while driving. What you're also going to see on the bottom left-hand side is an emergency start button. So if you're a knucklehead like me and you pull in someplace late and you go ahead and leave your lights on, it drains the engine battery, you hold that button down, start the vehicle, and it draws power from your house batteries that are on board and you can start the car. You also have jumper cables as well, should you need those. Now, once you pull into port, the most important thing to do is to pull into a spot that has at least 6 feet of clearance on the driver's side. Because like magic, you're going to extend your slide out and you need about 6 feet of space to get that bad boy fully extended. But to do that, you must engage the parking brake, as I just did. Parking brake. Just like a regular vehicle, go ahead and engage it. Otherwise, the slide out will not extend. It's a safety mechanism. So if you call us and you say the slide out won't extend, and we say is the parking brake engaged, and you say no, we're gonna make fun of you at family meals, okay? So parking brake and 6 feet of clearance, and make sure you're in a nice level spot. Otherwise, you should enjoy the ride up here. This coach right here has very nice leather seats. I'll zoom out so you can see those. So we'll pause here and we're going to take you to the back of the coach.